first thing that you're going to want to do is go outside and collect your leaves. Once you have your leaves, you're going to need some markers to create your leaf friends. Let's get started. So for these, you can do anything you want to do. All you have to do is take your marker and draw a face. And don't forget, you can have multiple markers. And there we have one down. Let's do a few more. You want to make sure to be very gentle, because these leaves can break easily. And there we have another one. Do this to all your leaves and make your leaf friends more leaf friends. And there you have it. Hi friends, I hope you have the time today to take a nice little nature walk, because today we're making a nature diorama or a nature box. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go outside and see how many items you can collect. I have some branches here and some leaves, some rocks, some flowers, and even some acorns. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to want to do is take out just a few of your nature items. So I have a leaf, some sticks, and some tree bark. The next step is to get some paint. So here I have some, and you're just going to decorate your leaves and your bark however you'd like. Perfect. Just to save some time, I've already prepared some. These are the leaves and the acorns that I painted earlier. Your next step is to take a box. This is my box, and I'm just going to organize it however I would like to. I have some more sticks here. And a branch. Have some more leaves. So I encourage you guys to go outside, see what you can find out on your nature walk, and put it in a box on display for everyone to see.